How can automotive manufacturers assess the noise and vibration characteristics of a car before it exists? How can they tell if it will meet the targets set for it? Automotive development teams want to know how the different noise and vibration sources from conventional and electrified vehicles will contribute to the overall NVH performance. They also need to deal with the increased engineering complexity across many vehicle variants while being under time and budget restrictions. All these parameters are the many pieces of a puzzle, one that system attribute owners and NVH performance leaders must solve. But to do so, there is hardly any prototype available to test. And no one wants to find out too late, that the fully assembled vehicle doesn't meet the targets. So, how will you solve this puzzle? Why not predict system NVH performance? With system NVH prediction, you can create a digital twin of your vehicle to accurately predict its NVH performance at every stage of the development cycle. How does it work? As a test or simulation NVH expert, you can use Simcenter to create an extensive library of scalable, reliable, and validated vehicle component models, such as powertrains, tires, or steering systems. You can use innovative technologies like component-based transfer path analysis to build this library. And as an analyst, you can easily integrate the different component models from the library to assemble the full vehicle. You can execute the vehicle NVH performance evaluation, creating the digital twin in one central application. And the best thing is that you don't need to be a transfer path analysis expert to perform the prediction. Last, you can also go a step further and easily evaluate the impact of modifications on the NVH performance. Try, for example, changing the structural properties of the vehicle body or using different engine mounts. Or see how a new set of tires or a different powertrain affect the NVH behavior. Working in a user-friendly environment, you remove the guesswork and accurately predict any vehicle's NVH performance in only a few steps. You can easily search for the right component model, and it can be shared between different parties in the organization. This ensures easy collaboration between teams so that you'll never have to work in silos anymore. Now, how does that sound? Don't guess! Be certain of your vehicle NVH performance from the early stages of development, thanks to Simcenter and its system NVH prediction solution. Find more information on the Siemens website.